Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be all about Bible journaling supplies that you can find at the dollar store. I feel like sometimes we think we need all the fancy things that we see on YouTube and Instagram and Pinterest that people use to Bible journal, but you can find quality things at the dollar store for cheap. And also, you don't need everything that you see people using when Bible journaling. When you see other people's either study techniques, their methods, what they do in their Bible, it's just supposed to be inspiration and encouragement, not something that you compare yourself with, whether you're doing enough or not. And Bible journaling is not for everyone. Not everyone finds enjoyment and finds themselves closer to God Bible journaling. So this is a video to just kind of show you what you can do on the cheap, because things can get expensive when you are buying tons of pens and highlighters, stickers, and all that stuff. I just wanted to show you guys that there are other options out there for Bible journaling and what you can use. The first thing that I have here are some stamping things. So at the Dollar Tree, you can find clear stamps, acrylics, ink. Really, you can find a lot of things there. And so these are just some options of things. This is my acrylic square that I got at the dollar store. And I actually use it when I paint, so I can get some paint splatters and stuff, so it's a little, dirty. But it does have a grid, so that way when you put the stamps on it, you can line them up, which is really nice. And for stamps, I have this cactus one, and they are clear stamps, which is really nice because you can see through them, so you know exactly where you're placing them, unlike the wood ones. So this one's a cactus one, and then this one is just like flowers and butterflies. And it's very cute. They do have paints there, acrylic paints and paintbrushes and all the stuff you need for painting. So if you want to go that route, you can always pick up some paints and stuff from there. I usually get mine at Walmart because they're, I think, 59 cents per bottle, like the little acrylic bottles, which is a better price. But the next thing is tape. I love getting my tape from the dollar store because you can actually find name brand things there. So like the Scotch double-sided tape, I always buy at the dollar store. When they bring it in, I buy 4 or 5 rolls. Even the fancy tape runners, when the dollar store gets that, I will buy a few of those. And I get my masking tape from there, and I like the fact that it's a slightly cheaper quality, just because it doesn't rip my paper as easily when I use this versus something that's a little bit more high quality. Those tend to rip my paper. And I also found this artist tape. It almost feels like electrical tape, but I use this sometimes. It's not super sticky, which is kind of nice when you're just wanting to tape something off but not have it there permanently. And then you can also get foam tape there. So I like to use this to make things pop up, and this comes in 3 different sizes. So there's a thinner one, a medium size, and a larger width. And I just like getting my tape from the dollar store because it is much cheaper, and you can find a lot of different types of tape at the dollar store and find what you like. Next is sticky notes. You guys already know that I love sticky notes for Bible journaling and for Bible note taking, for everything. And the dollar store does have tons of sticky notes. They have different designs. These are just a star and a circle, and you can just find different types of sticky notes there, and they're cute, and sometimes it's fun to have something cuter to look at. And then I also just bought a retractable eraser because sometimes I lose mine, so I just figured it'd be nice to have another one. And it comes with 2 extra eraser sticks. Next are some stickers that I have bought. So here are some jeweled pop-up stickers, and I would do close-ups of everything. I bought these because I figured they would be cute as little accents on Bible journaling pages, or little verse cards and different things like that. And then I also found these 2 sheets of stickers, and I thought they were cute. They're kind of like pop-up stickers. There's crosses, hearts, watercolor flowers, different little sayings like faith, loved, believe, little things like that, which I thought would be cute, especially if you feel like you're not as creative as someone to do all the things yourself. Doing a scrapbook method where you're using paper and pop-ups like this can be a nice way to Bible journal too. And then there's these rub-on transfers. They are actually a dry rub, so you don't have to wet your page to rub these on. And this one just has a whole bunch of different sayings. I have this one, which is a bunch of little cactus and little botanical leaves. And then I also have this one, which is almost like a eucalyptus leaf. They're very like almost watercolor, but not. They're very nice. And yeah, and all that at the dollar store. So yeah, so those are all the things that I picked up at the dollar store. I think you can find so much more. They've really worked on getting a lot of good things into the Dollar Tree. So even if you're on a budget, hello sir. So even if you're on a budget, you can definitely find something that is your style. I hope you guys found this video encouraging, especially if you're on a budget and you want to Bible journal. There are many ways to go out and get things on a budget. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one.